Here's a little refresher on who the hell I am. I wear a leather jacket, I have Lucille, and my nutsack is made of steel.
Who the hell do you think you're talking to? Are you confused about who we are?
Well, ding ding.
Oh, you better be joking.
Little pig, let me in.
Little pig, let me in. Oh my God. Are you gonna make me count? I'm Negan.
Speak when you're spoken to!
Hell's his name?
Ah, welcome to a brand new beginning, you sorry shits. Holy crap. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Service. I'm all in.
We are going to war. I don't want to just march them into the line of fire because I want to play my dick is bigger than yours. It is.
I'm Negan. But you're still looking at me?
Nope.
Well, pardon me, young man, and excuse the shit out of my goddamn French, but did you just threaten me?